This is the ZMA-35 mini massage gun by Zyllion, and they've been around for over a decade, and they have a lot of different massage products. It comes in a nice solid carrying case, and it's very compact, but yet it still feels heavy and durable, and it has a nice ergonomic feel to it. To power on this massage gun, all you have to do is long press the button on the bottom to turn it on. You can cycle between 4 different intensity levels, ranging from 1800 RPM to over 3000 RPMs. This is what they sound like. Even in the lower levels, it still packs a lot of power in this little device. And the other nice thing is it's really quiet. You can barely hear it over the sound of my voice. This massage gun is great for deep tissue therapy to help reduce muscle soreness, combat stiffness or spasms, and post-workout muscle recovery. This also features fast charging with a USB-C port and cable, and it also is TSA approved, so you can bring it on the airplane or flights. For being so small as well, it actually has a long battery life, and on one charge it can last you up to 5 hours. Although this is a mini massage gun, it's still very heavy duty. It's made out of solid metal aluminum materials, and it feels like a nice solid quality product. So if you're looking for a compact mini massage gun, consider checking out Zyllion.